Okay, today we're going to show you how to fix your Fire Stick if it won't turn on. We're going to show you several methods for fixing this problem. If you stay with us all the way to the end of the video and try each of these methods, there is a very high probability that this problem will be solved for you. Okay, the first thing to try here is really the simplest, and in most cases this one will actually work, so you might not even need to go on. Just simply unplug your Fire Stick from the wall, wait about 60 seconds. Now don't be impatient here, wait the 60 seconds, and then plug it back in. This will reset your Fire Stick, and in most cases, believe it or not, get your Fire Stick working back to normal. If this solves your problem, great. If not, let's do the next thing. I want you to look on the back or side of your TV and find where your Fire Stick is plugged in. Right above where it's plugged in, there's usually a note there that says which port this is, whether it's HDMI 2, 3, etc. I then want you to take your TV remote, not your Fire Stick remote, the TV remote, and then I want you to press the input or source button on your remote and choose the HDMI port that your Fire Stick is connected to. If you get to this point and your Fire Stick is still not working, a lot of times it's the power adapter. If you have another power adapter in the house, like from another phone, you can try to plug it in here and see if that corrects your problem. That's our video for today. As always, thank you very much for watching, and please remember to subscribe.